I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make $1. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one.
This boy don't want to sit down, because when you put him down, he will just be crawling and so I have to just back him like this. The egg to cool down so that I can peel it. So this is the egg. I want it to with my baby food. After I finish with my baby food, yeah, I just finished with it. So this is how the food looks like. Yeah, it's so easy to make. So he will eat this one for now. See how smooth it is. So this one, so I will just store this one. When you make it this way, whenever he's hungry, just feed him. So that's why I always make his food. We have to buy puri and other stuff. So these days, since we have already settled down, since we are here, finally, this is what I've been doing. Then once in a while, he eats this food. Let me show you. So normally when we shop, we also buy this one and add. Maybe when we are going out and his food is finished, we just warm this one and he eats it. It's so healthy. All the ingredients are very good. See the toy behind me. That's why he's watching. Guys, I'm still on this thing, so guys, I'm almost done, but I can say, yeah, I can say I've done most of the things. I've folded some that it's just easy for me to put it up there. See behind me, I've hung some of the things. Yeah. So the ones that is here is just left with few things. So now, this small boy is the one delaying me, because small time he won't breast, so I have to stop and then feed him. And oh goodness, what are you looking at? So his own, maybe I'll do it later. And the time is also going, so I'm just tired. That is the word, I'm tired. Please allow me. Watch your voice. No breast. Then he will just like hijack you, like police officer. You are wasting my time. Unimsa, you are just delaying because you have eaten. Sit down. There's nothing in this breast, eh? Sometimes I to just finish it fast because the way I wanted it to be fast, but he woke up and I have to feed him, change his diaper, and I think he has poop again. So after this, I have to change his diaper again. So it's kind of delaying my folding and hanging things. You see behind me, I've folded behind. You see behind me, I've already hung some of the clothing. So now I start with my husband's own, and I've also folded my own that is not needed for. Why are you looking at my face? Maybe you want to sack. I got a breast, there is nothing in it. You don't want me to finish so that at least I can eat something. Right? My baby, please don't cry. My baby carrot. Maybe when we say stop, you will not stop. Guys, I'm finally done. This is how I'll put it. Then after we finish buying everything that we need, then I will rehang them again and see where those clothes. I've already started, but this one I'll rinse it again. And that is it. Then offload these dishes. is becoming heavy.
Look, there are so many yellow ducks.
At least this way, if I say to feed him, that is it. If I don't wash these bowls and I say to feed him, this boy will delay me.
2 yellow ducks.
Because when you're feeding him, it takes time.
3 yellow ducks.
In
4
fact,
yellow ducks.
when you're feeding babies,
5 yellow
if you don't have patience, you will just stop. Meanwhile, they need more food. You will think that, oh, he's satisfied, but he's not. That's how children are. You have to be patient.
This is so much fun.
So see you guys in my next clip.